Hey, what's up guys? On this video, we will see how to recover deleted photos on any iPhone. Now, the photos which are deleted on your iPhone can be recovered within 30 days after deleting them. Now, to recover the photos, just open the Photos app, then go to Collections. Now, from here, you will find the option of Recently Deleted. Just tap on it. Now, just use the Face ID or your lock screen passcode to open the recently deleted folder. Now, at the bottom of these photos, you can find the remaining days left until they are permanently deleted. Now, to recover the photos, just tap on Select and select the photos which you want to recover. For example, I will select these photos. Now, once you select the photos which you want to recover, just tap on the three dots and select Recover. Now, just tap on Recover 41 photos. Now, if we go back, now from here, just tap on Library. As you can see, we have successfully recovered the deleted photos on our iPhone. Now, if you go to Collections, from here just tap on Recently Deleted. Now, to recover all the deleted photos on the Recently Deleted section, just tap on Select, then tap on the three dots. From here, just tap on Recover All. Now, just tap on Recover Photos, and you will recover all the photos from your recently deleted section. And this is how you can recover deleted photos on any iPhone. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.